Okay, in this video, how to adjust the temperature of an electric water heater. I'm not an electrician or a plumber, but this is not rocket science. Anyone can do this, especially if you do step one. Go to the breaker and turn off the power to the water heater. That takes out 90% of any danger here. Step two, you should just generally know about your water heater. In an electric water heater, you have two heating elements. You have an upper and a lower. And so there are actually two different thermostats that you'll have to change. So we'll have to take these covers off. Phillips screwdriver, cover one, cover two. Okay, so you'll see this insulation here. All you'll do is, it depends on the water heater, but pull this back, open this up, and here's your thermostat. Amongst some other things, but really all you need to do is take a regular screwdriver, and there's a little knob in here, and I'll give you a close-up here in a second, but that's what you'll twist to change the temperature. That simple. You'll see it go from 90, or at least my water heater is 90 degrees to 150 degrees. Anywhere in the 150, 140 range is like scalding hot and dangerous, and you don't need to be up that high. Restaurants, or if you're in like the medical field, maybe they'll use water temperature that high, but normal household, 120 to 130 is like a great temperature. So here you go, simple thermostat with a little dial, and then you can take your regular screwdriver, flathead, and change it like that. I want to change mine down a little bit, so there it's at 125 now. And again, this is a cap that has other electrical components behind this. It says very clearly right here, turn power off before servicing. I just play the safety game and turn the power off even when getting in here, just to change the thermostat. I have another video on how to change the heating element right here if you're interested, and in that video we do take this off. So now that we've changed the thermostat on the top, just do the same thing on the bottom, put the caps back on. Only other caveat I'll say is don't expect your water to be changed within minutes. It takes around an hour, 30 minutes to an hour for the water temperature to fully adjust. All right, just flip your breaker back on and you're good to go. All right, hopefully this was informational today. If it was helpful, please do me a huge favor, go ahead and like this video. If you're feeling crazy, you can subscribe. Yeah, you can learn anything on YouTube. You don't need to hire a plumber to use a screwdriver on your water heater to change your temperature. You just learn something and save money. Win-win. And I think that's it. Until next time, see you later.